Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight, bargain hunters were seen right across the board as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, slipped from a 4-month high of 105.25 to 104.40. As widely expected, the US Federal Reserve announced its 7th policy decision of 2024, cutting the benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points to a range of 4.5 to 4.75 following a 2-day FOMC meeting, which aligns with expectations. With the technicals now looking slightly firmer, given the rebound, the Australian dollar now looks back towards that 60-day moving average seen at 67.1020. A break above there will give further scope on towards the 68-cent region. Any pullback likely to be shallow given how strong this candle is, and therefore may find support around 66.45. So with the US dollar reversing, the euro has regained and now looking back towards its target, seen somewhere around 108.30. A break above there will give further scope onto 108.80 to 109.35.55. With any pullback likely to be shallow, with support seen around 107.20. Given the strong update for dollar yen, the market was taken by an ambush, and now with the bears back in play, a break beneath the level of 152.65 could reinstate the downside back towards 149 as a potential target. There is still support though, seen around 152.0510 to tackle, but nevertheless the market has buckled and looking from a technical point quite heavy, so therefore does weigh further on the bearish outlook. Sterling rebounds as the Bank of England cut its interest rates by 25 basis points to 4.75. This is the second rate cut since August, following a sharp drop in inflation to 1.7%, below the Bank of England's target of 2%. So with the technicals firming as this strong candle comes back into play, we can now view the market seeing a break potentially above 130 and on towards 131 to maybe 132. I am quite bullish when it comes to the sterling because I like the way the RSI and the MACD has married up together, and therefore looking for that break should fuel the rally. Turning to commodities, spot gold is challenging the broad trend line seen around 2010-12. Now a break above there will give further scope on towards 2,730 to 2,750 and may even put the topside call back in play to 2,800. With any pullback likely to be shallow, the market should find support around 2,680. Wrapping up with oil, the market still maintains a positive bias and still holds to its target around $72.40.60 to $74 a barrel, with any pullback likely to be shallow and the support finding around $71. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the interest report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.